What's up, YW? It's Ray. You're probably wondering why I'm sitting in the dark, and that's because for this week's DIY video, I am going to show you how to turn a candle into your very own mini constellation lantern. So to make your constellation lantern, you're going to need a glass jar, a candle that fits inside that jar, a piece of dark colored paper like black or blue, some scissors, a pencil, and then a thumbtack or anything that you can use to poke these little small holes in the paper. So your first step is to cut a piece of paper that fits around the jar. And you don't want to tape it closed yet. Instead, you just want to mark the spot where you're going to tape or glue it back together later on. The next step is to create your constellation pattern. If you want to draw it on the paper itself and use that as a guide, and then when you put it on the jar, you can just flip it over to the other side. You can't really see it, the color in this video, but I am going to do a pattern of stars on mine. All you need to do to finish your lantern is put that paper sleeve over the jar, light your candle, carefully put it in the jar, and your mini constellation lantern is done. That is this week's DIY Friday. Have a great weekend, everybody, and see you soon. Bye.